Welcome to Travel, Learn, Repeat. Please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to click on the bell icon.
Laugarvatn Fontana Geothermal Bakery. Our next destination on Iceland's Golden Circle was the Laugarvatn Fontana Geothermal Bakery, where we experienced one of Iceland's most unique food traditions, baking bread underground using natural geothermal heat. We had booked the geothermal bakery experience a few days in advance for 2:30 p.m. local time. Walk-ins may be accepted depending on availability, but because the experience operates during specific time slots, advance booking is highly recommended. The experience started near the geothermal area beside Lake Laugarvatn. Our guide explained how Icelanders have traditionally used the natural heat beneath the ground to bake rye bread. We watched as the guide carefully dug a pot of traditional Icelandic rye bread, called Rúgbrauð, out of the hot ground. The bread is slowly baked underground for approximately 24 hours using natural geothermal heat. It was fascinating to see steam rising from the ground and learn how Iceland's geothermal energy has been used for cooking for generations. After the demonstration, we tasted the freshly baked rye bread with Icelandic butter and smoked trout. The bread was warm, soft, dense, and slightly sweet. It had a very unique flavor and was different from the bread we normally eat. The Fontana Geothermal Bakery was not just a food experience. It was also an interesting way to learn how Icelanders have adapted to and used the country's natural geothermal resources. After completing the experience, we continued toward one of the Golden Circle's most famous geothermal attractions, the Geysir area.
It's an active volcano, but that doesn't mean it erupts. It hasn't erupted in 26 years, so hopefully it doesn't do it today either, right? We don't want anything like that. So, now our bread is waiting for us under here. You can already see the steam coming out, right? And we can see our pot too. Don't worry guys, we've wrapped it up. There's no dirt inside. Also, the pot right now is very hot. So I'll go place it in the water, in the lake, so we can cool it down. But before doing that, I'll show you. You can already start hearing it. Careful, it's kind of splashing out. But yes. Sir, do you mind moving on this side? Because I see it splashing a lot over here. I don't want nobody to get hurt. It's just a little one. You can come back if you want. So if anyone wants to feel it, this was kind of like on the top. And for the next tour tomorrow, hopefully it's cooked, right? Three, two. Show you that it's still steamy inside. Huh?
Yeah.
Wow. How does it look?
It's good.
Looks very good.